How to change the battery indicator or icon on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can change the battery indicator or icon in Android. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, all you have to do is open up settings in your device. Once you land on settings, scroll down, head over to battery. Once you land on this kind of interface here, there is an option as battery percentage. So in some Android device, you may only have these options either to hide the battery percentage in status bar or to show the battery percentage in your status bar. So if you want to show the battery percentage, all you have to do is turn on that toggle. If not, make sure to turn it off. But in some of the devices, once you land on this interface, there you may have an option to change the icon as well. So if the option is available, head over to battery indicator, then search or select your preferred icon, then you can choose one from there if the option is available. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.